Next up, we'll be going over the scatter on mesh system. So we'll go to our place actor screen and drag one of these in. And as you can see, we have a main mesh and extra meshes are scattered on top. So we'll just swap this main mesh to be a cube and we'll regenerate this, and you should be able to see the meshes have now updated. So by default, these meshes are scattered on a 90-degree angle, and this can be adjusted as well in the parameters. And as always, our mesh sets are available for this system, so you can swap these assets out at will for anything you want. Just as an example, we'll swap the grass to cubes. We also have max scattering points on this system, so by default it's set to 1,000 additional meshes that can be scattered. This can be increased quite dramatically, so if you do need a really dense mesh, such as if this was being used to scatter moss on a rock, for example, then this can be increased. And all of the other parameters are controllable as well, and they're all similar to the other systems. So each mesh set has different settings that can be controlled. And once you're happy with one, you can simply duplicate it, and then you have infinite variations based on your original settings. And that's it for this one, and thanks for watching.